Hi everybody, it's 3:51 and 24 seconds. This is the mini for the Walking Dead 50 superhero wraparound variant and 61 first Gabriel. As stated in the post, whoever comes in first place in the mini will get assigned 4 spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place in the mini will get the final spot in the main. First place gets assigned the first 4 available open spots, and second place gets the final available open spot. Alright, when you get that run as soon as this is done. So number is 11. Away we go. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here's the final one. 11. Barney Stars gets 4 spots, and Chris Lamastra gets the final spot. Time is 3:52 and 25 seconds.